Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Crochet for Beginners Learn How to Crochet book. I'm giving this away as a paperback, and I did the video for it about a week or so ago. And this Crochet for Beginners book, the winner needs to contact me. My email is listed down below. Also, if you would like it signed, let me know. I can sign the back of it. So I wrote these two books. This is the one that I'm giving away. This one comes in paperback and Kindle, and then my Crochet for Beginners or Hats for Beginners, that one is in Kindle only. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Also on my Etsy store, I have some mugs and a bag that is for sale as well. And those links are down below. And the links for the books are listed down below if you'd like to take a look. Pam Baker, I would love a copy of your book. Congratulations. Please contact me with your information. I'll list my email down below. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. Make sure to be a subscriber, hit the notification bell, and thank you for watching. Look out for more giveaways in the future and tutorials.